Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vedant Goel. In our previous video, we have discussed how to find the LCM by common divisor method. Today, we will discuss how to find LCM by listing all the multiples. So what is LCM? The common multiple which is lowest of two or more than two numbers is known as LCM. Or we can say LCM as the smallest number which is a common multiple of two or more given numbers. Okay, now let's discuss another example. Find the LCM of 5 and 7 using the all listing multiples method. What we have to do? First we have to find the multiples of 5. What are multiples? Multiples are the number which come in the table of that number till infinity. So the multiples of 5 will be, first multiple will be 5 into 1, then twice 5, then thrice 5, and then 4 into 5, and etc. So there will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, etc. And then we have to find the multiples of 7. What will be the multiples of 7? The multiples of 7 will be 7 into 1, 7 into 2, and so on. And they will be 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, and so on. Now what we have to do? We have to find the common multiples. What is the common multiple here? It is 35. So the common multiple is 35. And what is the lowest common multiple? The LCM is also 35. There can be more common multiple if we find more multiples of 5 and 7. Like if we extend the multiples of 5, somewhere we will get 70, and in the multiples of 7 we will also get 70 somewhere. So the common multiples are also infinite, but the lowest common multiple is only 1 and 1. Understood what we have done? First we have find the multiples of all the given numbers, and then we have find the common multiples, and then we have find the LCM of that number. Understood? Let's take an example. Let's take first 9 and 63. So what we have to do? What are the multiples of 9? The multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and etc. So the multiples are infinite. We will write till here only, and then we have to find the multiples of 63. So what are the multiples of 63? The multiples of 63 are 63, 126, 189, and etc. Now what we have to do? We have to find the common multiples. So the common multiple here is 63. Okay, so the common multiple is 63. And what is the lowest common multiple? The LCM is also 63 because it is the smallest multiple of 9 and 63 both. What we have done? First we have find the multiples of all the given number, then we have find the common multiples, and then we have to find the lowest common multiple, the lowest number which is a common multiple of both or more than two numbers. Okay? Today we have discussed about the method to find LCM by listing all the multiples. In our next video, we will discuss about the next method to find LCM of two or more than two numbers. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification button to get my latest videos. Thank you.